Oh my gosh. Are you sure this is gonna work?
Yeah, I can make it.
What? No way, look how high those shoes are.
Yeah, it's pretty high, eh? So far. It needs to be super sticky, so keep spraying.
What?
Keep spraying. We're gonna let it dry so I can go get the shoes. And the other one.
I'm almost out of hairspray.
So much hairspray.
All right, stop.
Wait. Okay.
Okay, let it dry.
Wait.
Hold my shoulders
Yeah, like that?
and let me go slowly.
Okay.
Very slowly. Push me against the pole.
I am.
Wait, are they dry enough?
Yeah, should be okay. Now go under my legs.
Me?
Yes, go ahead. And hold me up.
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah.
This is crazy.
Push me against the pole.
Yeah.
We're good. We're
Pushing.
good. That feels good. That feels great. Now you guys are gonna lift me up.
Are you
Ready?
sure this is gonna work?
You trust me to lift you up?
What? Oh my gosh.
And go.
God, you're heavy.
Perfect.
It's working.
Feels good.
Okay.
Feels good. Now remove the ladder.
Okay, I got it.
I'm in an awkward position. Oh my God. Okay. Got you.
And give me the broom.
Okay, this one over here?
Yes. Thank you. Okay.
gonna drop
Don't
you.
move. Don't move, guys. Now, get
Hi, what's going on here?
I'm sorry, I don't know.
get out from under my legs.
Excuse me, this doesn't look
You want me?
We're just trying to get some shoes, man.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Just
That's
whoa.
very
Slowly go away. Perfect. My feet are sticking. That's working.
Do you need me to catch you?
Now, push it aside
Excuse me,
and
this looks very
Oh my
dangerous.
gosh.
go away from
Okay, it's okay. You can just keep walking. Keep walking.
If he falls, it's going to be very bad.
Now, get the broom. Get the broom from the bottom.
This is crazy.
Push me up.
Do you need help?
Oh,
What are you guys doing here?
no.
Oh my god.
Oh, I got you.
Go no higher
Are
anymore.
you kidding?
Do you see that, Piggy?
What?
Do you see that?
This is crazy.
This is so crazy.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Oh my. What?
Way.
Oh my gosh.
Sorry, you don't get
You're about to reach the top.
You want me to change the lamp too?
Oh my gosh.
Grab the shoes, guys.
Oh my gosh. You're crazy.
Oh my god.
What are you doing?
You so awesome here.
I'm gonna get down.
I'm gonna stay a little bit.